The telecom industry is embracing the ideals of open technology and processes more than ever before. So this is a good time to talk with Honoré LaBourdette, who recently joined Red Hat as Vice President of Industry Verticals, Telco, Media and Entertainment. So Honoré, you joined Red Hat at the beginning of this year. What made you join the company?
There's many reasons why I decided to join Red Hat. I can probably narrow it down to three primary reasons: the technology, the people and the culture, and the commitment to diversity and inclusion. From a technology perspective, I am naturally the kind of person that looks to the future. And when I think about the amazing power of open source and Red Hat's unsurpassed contribution and added value to open source, the Red Hat was the obvious choice. The Mars rover is being powered by open source, so how cool is that? So absolutely, the technology is one of the primary reasons why I decided to join Red Hat. The other is the people and the culture. I met a lot of people at Red Hat throughout the process, and it was what I would describe a very organic process. Everyone I met was authentic, engaging, incredibly intelligent, and highly passionate about the company and the opportunity to help define the future of the industry by being a part of Red Hat. And then third, diversity and inclusion. I believe that Red Hat is a company where I can do my very best work, I can be my very best self, all the while enabling and empowering me to create an environment, a diverse and inclusive environment where others around me can do the same.
Now, the Red Hat name is synonymous with open. What have you seen at Red Hat that exemplifies an open culture? Are there any examples that are unique and different from the rest of the industry?
Coming into Red Hat, I'm impressed with how infused open is in the culture of the organization. It's an open culture, open community, open collaboration. This is from across the organization, from interns all the way to the CEO. There's a philosophy here of open leadership based on the book, The Open Organization by Jim Whitehurst. Open leadership is about empowering people to be their very best and to do their very best work. And I see it in the way that we operate every day, applying network style thinking and connection making, and the recognition that the best ideas are what drive the company's decisions and influence results versus power bases in politics. Another key difference is that at Red Hat, our diversity inclusion initiative reports directly to our CEO. So unlike other companies where diversity and inclusion typically reports into the HR department, that entire team reports directly to our CEO because of the importance that the company places on it. Our efforts to cultivate diversity and inclusion go beyond our own company into the open source communities and the broader technology industry. We aim to foster an environment where women and all individuals are valued and appreciated for their contributions. Red Hat's diversity and inclusion communities extend to organizations or initiatives like the Women's Leadership Community, which is in its 12th year with chapters around the world. There's BUILD, which is the acronym for Blacks United in Leadership and Diversity. There's military veteran communities that we work with, Native and Indigenous people groups, neurodiversity and pride, and many others.
And what are you excited about for 2021? What do you expect to see and what are you hoping to achieve in the coming months?
So, certainly one of my hopes is that you and I will be having this conversation in person in someplace really cool like Barcelona or Nice or The Hague. But from a business transformation perspective, 2021 is the year that the enterprise and consumer customers alike will yield the benefits of the accelerated deployment and investments in 5G that the operators have been making in 5G. And conversely, 2021 will be the year that those operators will increase the monetization of those networks by extending services to the edge, be it the edge of the enterprise or the edge of the consumers. From a technology perspective, 2021 will offer us a rapid deployment of containerized network functions, the migration to cloud-native application development. AI and machine learning will have a heightened importance in automation platforms and automation capabilities and services. I think we're also going to see this ecosystem, this vast ecosystem of partnerships and vendors become very important as part of the effort to deliver on the successful outcomes for our customers.
Why is Red Hat's open approach so important to what's happening at the edge?
Our open hybrid cloud strategy, which is based on Red Hat OpenShift and Red Hat Enterprise Linux, addresses the needs of a diverse set of use cases by providing a unified platform and architecture that's adaptable while maintaining consistency and efficiency in operations and application development. This truly allows our customers to enable any workload, any footprint, across any location at the edge without being limited by their architecture. From the smallest compute footprints in IoT gateways, smart displays, and vehicles, to cost and resource efficient Kubernetes on bare metal clusters, driving smart factories, retail stores, and smart cities, to Kubernetes deployments on third-party public hybrid and public cloud infrastructure. Red Hat's co-engineering of OpenShift and RHEL is the secret behind our enterprise-grade embedded security, embedded being the operative word, performance, stability, commercial support, which is critical for the enterprise. This also enables an edge platform that's adaptable to use cases and provides customers with a peace of mind that they can develop once and deploy anywhere while maintaining consistency in operations and applications development. And then there's the differentiation of the vast, vibrant community of ecosystem partners and vendors that we work with to ensure that we can deliver successful outcomes for our customers.
Okay, well, that's great. Lovely to talk to you again, Honoré, and great to hear from you today in your new role at Red Hat. Thanks very much for joining us.
Thank you, Ray. It's a pleasure to be here, and I do hope to see you in person soon.